In today's video, we're diving into how to integrate practice better with Zapier. Whether you're looking to automate your workflow, streamline your processes, or just save some time, this integration could make a big difference. Stick around to the end because I'll show you exactly how to set it up and share a couple of alternatives that might even work better for your needs. Let's jump right in. First off, to integrate practice better with Zapier, you'll need to create a Zapier account if you haven't already. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects apps, so you can automate tasks without needing to know any coding. If you're using Practice Better, which is great for managing your coaching and client relationships, you can use Zapier to create automations that save you a ton of time. The first thing to do is log into your Zapier account, then click Make a Zap. Zapier will ask you to choose a trigger app. This is the app where the action starts. For this, you'll search for Practice Better in the Zapier app directory. Unfortunately, Practice Better doesn't have direct built-in integration with Zapier, but it does work through webhooks, so we can work with that. Next, you'll need to set up the webhook in Practice Better. You'll head over to Practice Better settings and under Integrations, find the webhook option. Here, you'll be able to set the data you want to send over to Zapier. It might take a little trial and error, but once it's configured, this is where the magic starts happening. Now Zapier is ready to connect with Practice Better. The third thing to do is define your actions in Zapier. Once your webhook is set up, you'll choose what happens when an event occurs in Practice Better, like when a new appointment is scheduled or when a client's profile is updated. Zapier offers a ton of options here, and you can make it as simple or complex as you need. Once that's set up, the next thing is testing the connection. Zapier will help you test whether the webhook is firing correctly and whether the data flows into your other connected apps. If it works, you'll see the data populate into the apps you've chosen, like Google Sheets or MailChimp. This means you can automatically update client records or send out email confirmations without lifting a finger. The fourth thing is customizing your actions in Zapier. After the webhook is triggered, you can add additional filters or actions. For example, you could automatically send a follow-up email to clients after their session, or you could log client progress into a different tool. Zapier's flexibility here is key to saving time and eliminating repetitive tasks. Now, let's be real for a moment. While Practice Better and Zapier offer a lot of flexibility, this integration isn't always seamless. You might run into some quirks, especially with setting up webhooks if you're not familiar with APIs. It can take some effort, and you might need to troubleshoot a few things along the way. But once you get it set up, it's pretty smooth sailing. Now, let's talk about a potential alternative. While Practice Better with Zapier is great, it's not the only option out there. For those who want a more straightforward experience with less manual setup, I recommend checking out a couple of other tools that integrate effortlessly with Zapier. These alternatives could actually give you better results, especially when it comes to scaling your operations and automating workflows. By the way, in the description, I've included a link where you can access an exclusive extended free trial for the software we've mentioned. Plus, we've added some fantastic alternatives that not only have free trials, but could also offer a smoother integration and automation experience. Click through the link for the best deal that's only available to our viewers. And that's all for today's video. Make sure to check out the free trials and find the right tool for your business.